So the new Google Sites all live in Drive. When you click into them, we've got them organized by building, and then I put just kind of the random departments that maybe are multi-building or whatever out here. So I'll go into mine just to show you since I have access. They all uploaded their own Google Docs, and then they were supposed to share it to all admin. So assuming they did their doc right, you're going to click on it, and then it's going to have their names across the top. And if there are more, like in the case of special ed, there'll be a drop down with everybody else's name like over here. So once you click on the 2018 Smith doc and you're down here, what you do is you click on the box and you're going to see this button, and that's going to allow you to type on it. So remember how last year on the old sites you had to scroll down to the bottom and there was a little pencil? Again, this year you just simply click on it, click on this guy right here, and it's going to open that thing up in a new tab, and then you can go through and type on the document from there. So all the sites are shared to all of you, so you should have full editing rights on them, so you shouldn't have any trouble with that. Let me know if that doesn't make sense.